Now let's try to run this. Let me first remove everything, and this, I think we don't have to put any space here. Primer solvers not found. Solvers lookup of k. So we are not using this, and here also we are not doing any turbulence model. Let me make sure that we are not using any turbulence model. Why is it taking the remove this at all? We don't need this. This should be capital adjoint wall velocity. Yeah, we did a typo. Adjoint far field pressure and adjoint wall velocity should be caps. Entry value for UA boundary field bottom. These should be value, inlet value, and value. So we need adjoint RASProperties as well. That means we have to add one more file here and add adjoint RASProperties in the constants, not here. Let me move these two constants. We don't want to use this one. Let's see if we can switch this off. Let's go to the source code and find the RASProperties, turbulence model, income adjoint, adjoint RAS, and then we have adjoint laminar. So we can write just adjoint laminar here. Currently optimization is not found. So clearly we have not defined the design variable in the optimization ticked. We have defined the solvers, but we have not defined the design variable. If the design variable is not defined, then how it will find the sensitivity according to that? For that, we'll use this. The sensitivity type is surface point. It will take the surface point on the cylinder, include surface area for include distance true. It will include the mesh movement that is to be done to improve the lift. Then write all surfaces true, then adjoint mesh movement solver. For this, if we are having a mesh movement, then we have to have a mesh motion solver as well. Let's see if it runs without this. Wall dist is not found. Since we are doing this, I think that's why it requires the wall distance. We have to pass the wall distance as well. So this is the wall distance solver that we need. Here in the adjoint sensitivity, you can see that we have this adjoint iconal solver, and we cannot find the mesh motion solver. There is a ECI sensitivity. This one is the class for computing sensitivity derivative using the enhanced surface integral. This one is the one which it uses by default for surface points, and this is a mesh movement solver. This is a class for solving the adjoint grid displacement PDEs. Assume the primal grid displacement PD is a Laplacian with the uniform diffusivity. And this one is also there, that was used in the tutorial. Let's see why this is used. Here it says for the development of adjoint iconal PD and its boundary conditions. So this one is used for turbulent flows. Since we are not doing a turbulent flow, we have done a laminar flow. Therefore, we don't need these two. And we can also remove the include distance part. Also notice that the wave, the function that we have added in here, the function for the wall distance that we have added, you can see here that to be as consistent as possible, it is recommended to use the advection diffusion wall distance method in FV schemes instead of more widely used mesh wave, as we have copied that from the tutorials. We can remove that part as well. And now let's try to run this. So the steady state solution will be completed, and then it will start the adjoint solution.